What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Realme C75X. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update and then click on backup and reset. Now again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset your network or Bluetooth settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.